And young chess sensation Divya Deshmukh also made a huge impact at the Chess Olympiad in Budapest, who won the individual gold medal too. The 18-year-old Nagpur girl played a pivotal role and wrote India's success story at the Olympiad. Chess Olympiad winner, gold medalist Divya Deshmukh is with us. Welcome to DD India. Appreciate you giving us your precious time. First of all, how does it feel? I mean, Chess Olympiad winner, gold medalist at this young age.
I don't think it has sunk in yet. बहुत कम time मिला है even to think about it. But all in all, just super grateful and proud of myself.
Do you think it will inspire a lot of youngsters to take up the chess? Because most of them, a lot of youngsters are glued to the screens also. I mean, you think this will take chess to a different level?
Definitely. I don't know if it would take it to a different level, but I think it's a stepping stone. And of course, you cannot achieve all the milestones in one go, right? So I think it is a stepping stone for a much huge chess future for India. And I am actually super grateful to be a part of it. And I really hope that kids, little small kids, they look up to us and then they think, oh, one day I want to be there and one day I will be there. And I think it is a good motivating factor that everybody is here, everybody is showing so much love and support, and I really hope it turns out well.
I want to talk about the team unity also, because you won individual gold medal also. You were the standout performer too. You and Vantika won individual gold medals. I mean, what did the seniors, experienced players, told you after you won individual gold?
They were all congratulating us and so happy for us. We really didn't expect to win the gold. So for us, it was just... I really don't know how to. We had many celebrations along the way. As soon as we finished the game, we were all just, so happy, excited, screaming. And then we went to meet the ambassador of Hungary, the Indian ambassador. And we had a function there. And then immediately after, we had to go to a press conference. So we didn't really have that much time to celebrate. Then we had the prize distribution, and
That was iconic.
yes, that was iconic, at least for me. And बीच में ही when we were going to the prize distribution, we decided ठीक है कुछ तो iconic करते हैं, कुछ तो reel बनाते हैं, कुछ तो करते हैं. And then we started coming up with ideas, and soon it transformed from one to another, and we have the result.
And last question, does it show India's dominance in chess, and you're on course, or are we the best chess nation in the world?
In men's, definitely we're the best chess nation in the world. And women's, I think we still are yet to achieve domination, but I'm very hopeful that we will get there one day.
Message for the fans?
So grateful for all the support. Thank you for cheering on us, for showing us love, and it motivates and encourages us so much. Please keep supporting us.